If you have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., you may well have access to Microsoft's feature for 365 called Copilot. Depending on your organization, it may be switched off for your organization, but you'll see it because something like this will come up on screen when you open up a Word document, and you'll also see Copilot over here. Now, I don't know about you, but I find this really annoying. You can just ignore it and start typing, and it just sits there. Or alternatively, if you don't want that there, you can simply go to File, down the bottom to Options. And on the Copilot tab, you can take the tick out of the box to enable Copilot and click OK. It'll now disappear. Anytime you want to activate Copilot, because it's no longer active up here, you can just come back to File, down to Options, into your Copilot tab and enable Copilot and click OK, and it's back again. So that's switching Copilot on and off in Word 365.